Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 brushless circular saw. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is 5-inch 21V brushless circular saw. Specifications: brand name XMSJ, motor type brushless, usage home DIY, blade diameter 105, no load speed 4000 RPM, application wood saw, rated voltage 18V, power source battery. Item number 4 is 16.8V brushless electric circular saw. Specifications: brand name Woolbridge, usage home DIY, is _customized, yes, weight 2.8, blade diameter 125 millimeters, no load speed 3300 RPM, application wood saw, model number circular saw, power source battery, saw type circular saw. As the item number 3, we've selected brushless mini electric circular saw. Specifications: brand name BLMIATKO, model number K46571, motor type brushless, usage home DIY, wattage 2000-3999W, max cutting depth 45 millimeters, blade diameter 125 millimeters, no load speed 10,000 RPM, rated input power 1000-1299W, frequency 10800 RPM, application wood saw, rated voltage 18V, power source battery, saw type circular saw. Item number 2 is high power electric saw. Specifications: brand name ANJI, motor type brushed, usage home DIY, wattage 500W799W, no load speed 2800 RPM, application stone saw, rated voltage 220V, power source AC, saw type table saw. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Yofidra 7-inch 180mm brushless electric circular saw. Specifications: brand name Yofidra, motor type brushless, usage home DIY, wattage 2000-3999W, max cutting depth 45.5 millimeters, blade diameter 7-inch, application wood saw, rated voltage 18V, power source battery, saw type circular saw.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.